Page 26, Submarine. Here they're introducing some new notes for the left hand, for the bottom staff. This is another reason you need to know the names of the notes of all the stuff we've had so far, because as we go through the book they're going to keep adding more notes. So if you don't know the notes we've used, you're just going to dig yourself a deeper hole and eventually you get frustrated and quit. I have seen it happen. So please, take the time to learn the notes we've been doing, and these new notes, learn those too. Just memorize them. Know where they are in the music and know where they are on the piano. For instance, in the left hand, and it starts out with these notes. The first note is a C. That is the C below middle C, this one. Middle C is here, and the C is here. And the other note is a G, the bottom note on the staff and bass clef. That is a G down here. And those are the two notes. Learn those notes in the music and on the keyboard. And that's that. That's really about all this is, because in here, rather than we've been in middle C, but now the left hand's going to go down to this position, down here, in an F position down here. The right hand's staying here, so now you're just a little separated. That's okay. That's about all there is to point out. It's in 4/4 time. You've had everything else here, so let's try it out slowly, of course, just to check the notes and the rhythms. So I'll give us 4 counts. And put your hands in the positions where they go. Here. 1, 2, ready, go. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 off.